The girl in the snow. Never follow a stranger in the forest, especially when the snow hides more than footprints. Two best friends, Ayan and Rafiq, drove deep into the mountains. The forest was covered in endless snow, silent and empty. Their laughter slowly faded as the road grew darker. Suddenly, the car engine coughed and died. No signal on their phones. The freezing air turned their breath into fog. Ayan tried to fix the engine. Rafiq looked around nervously. That's when he saw her. A girl, standing far between the trees, barefoot, wearing a thin white dress. Her pale face never blinked. Slowly, she walked toward them. Her voice broke in the cold wind. My house is nearby. With no other choice, they followed her. The snow crunched under their boots, but not under hers. She never looked back, only walked deeper into the forest. After what felt like hours, a wooden cabin appeared. A fire burned inside. Warmth touched their frozen skin. They stepped inside, relieved. But the cabin was empty, silent and strange. They sat near the fire, trying to calm themselves. Rafiq whispered, "Look at her feet." Ayan looked down and froze. Her feet were twisted completely backwards. The girl turned her head, bones cracking. Her mouth stretched too wide, eyes glowing in the dark. The door slammed shut behind them. The fire blew out. Only her burning eyes lit the darkness. Her voice echoed, "You should never have followed me." And then, footsteps. Not just hers, dozens more circled them, fade to black. Would you follow her?